Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, 28th of August. Today is Wednesday, and we got the NVDA 30-year mortgage going below 6.5%, and this is skyrocketing the refinances to basically have a better deal on the mortgages that a lot of people have. The mortgage rate is right now at levels not seen since basically May last year, more than 1 year ago, and that's good. That's good for the economy. But what everyone is watching is Nvidia earnings after the close today. So today is going to be a pretty difficult day, pretty choppy day. I was quite surprised of certain things. Let me start by saying that during the overnight we were just going higher, 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 and until the London Open, I was pretty sure this was the London Open. I was pretty sure we were going to just push these relative equal highs and then dump. And I didn't take a short during the overnight. For example, in this setup right here, let me just right here, this was a beautiful setup with the stop at highs because we never took this liquidity, this buy side liquidity. These relative equal highs are still there. And I was super nervous about that. What we did then is what I was really certain. It's that we were going to just take all liquidity until pre-market lows. Sorry, until last week lows. We took all these guys during the overnight, weak hands, and I was quite bearish today, but I never had a good entry. I never had my setup because there was no good fair value gap that I couldn't take, not even this one. Because, I mean, look at this. We were rejecting for point of control. I was looking for my setup yesterday was basically saying, I'm watching this zone for a reclaim. And given that we never took this liquidity and we dumped, and we continue dumping and dumping and dumping and dumping, I mean, the next level is the daily fair value gap that we have right here. The consequent encroachment, it's at 326 and we got 341. I never got my setup down here either, and never got my setup down here because there's no fair value gap, there's no displacement. We are just, I mean, this price action is basically shit. This is nasty price action, not because it's volatile or choppy, it's because it doesn't provide you any kind of imbalance, any kind of advantage, edge, or something. Right now, I was watching this, but we are not holding. We are not holding. NVIDIA is 2.30%. And part of the reason is because SMCI, it's down 24%. Huge day to the downside for SMCI due to not filing the 10K annual report. And this is affecting, as you can see, look at semiconductors. All are in the red. ARN minus 5%, MU minus 4%, AVGO 2%, AMD 2.30%. The entire sector, it's pretty damn weak. And I used to think about, okay, maybe they want it lower to just pump it. But I mean, the time maybe has come for NVIDIA to stop beating earnings, to adjust and come down to reality and maybe show some slow growth, a little bit slower. I'm not, I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that NVIDIA is going to dump. I'm just saying that perhaps Wall Street is just super greed. And I'm going to trust these markets and these signals. Semiconductors are super weak. The entire Nasdaq, it's in the red. Apple was in the green, and then At 10:30, after the initial balance, we dumped. Dollar is super strong today. Maybe it's a safe haven. Small caps are also super weak. So why are we looking for longs? When we are when we are all waiting, everyone's waiting for NVIDIA. So it shouldn't be better to just wait for the numbers and tomorrow digest those numbers and look for better setups? That's what I'm going to do. And that's what I'm going to recommend to all of you that are watching this video. So I didn't take any trades. I tried looking for setups. There's nothing for me, not within my ICT strategy. So I mean, when there's no setup, when I have a feeling inside of me that I shouldn't be trading anymore today. So I already took the decision, and I would recommend to you to do the same. Watch the earnings, digest the news, and tomorrow prepare for the movement, either up or down. We will have all the information that is needed to really continue that move to the downside, to the upside, or maybe chop, who knows. But I think today is not worth, because it wasn't too clear to take this kind of short trend day, and it is not all, it is neither a good decision to just short right now when we are so close to NVIDIA earning. So it is one of those days in which you have to be smart, and the smart thing to do is just wait and see. That's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day. Market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time. As always, remember, NVIDIA earnings after the close is going to be huge. Wait for that, react to that, and tomorrow we will have plenty of opportunities. Trust me. Tomorrow's video is going to be big for sure. We will have trades. So don't force today before these things so big. I mean, it's not worth, it's too much risk so close the close. So patience, discipline, risk management. Stay safe everyone, and see you tomorrow.